Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers. I'm over here at a young lady's house in North Kansas City, nurse. She happens to be a nurse with my wife at North Kansas City Hospital, and they called me, her and her dad. This is her first home, and we're gonna waterproof it for her the easiest and simplest and cheapest way, and that's basically polyurethane everything where the floor abuts the wall, and these cracks, these horizontal cracks you see on the back wall and this wall here, that is what I think when they were building the foundation, they ran out of concrete about halfway through it and ordered concrete, and time lapse goes by, and let's say 2 hours goes by and they get concrete. That will create what you call a cold joint, and they happen to have the same thing on all the walls, so I'm assuming that's what's happened. So we got our amigos over here, they're gonna go to town. For your foundation repair needs, call me, 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com.